Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to deposit money into your Gemini account. If you don't have a Gemini account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 of Bitcoin when you trade $100. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the option that says Transfer. A drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Deposit into Gemini. Click on Deposit into Gemini. Now, select first the currency by clicking the drop-down arrow on the currency field. Then the list of currencies will appear. Click on the currency you wish to use. Next, select the transfer method. You have two options, bank transfer and wire transfer. In this video, we selected bank transfer. Click on the option you wish to select. If you also select bank transfer, then now select the payment method. After that, click on Continue. Next, enter the amount you would like to deposit. Then click on Continue. Review the transfer details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you deposit money into your Gemini account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.